I would like you to be welcomed to the new look Windows 8 system. To me, that just looks like a tablet because, yeah, you can get all your apps. You can obviously, because you've only got to go over like that, and you find it a load of apps. Now, do you personally want to make that look a lot better? That at the end of the day, instead of having all that crap, basically make it look like that and have a start button that looks like that. If so, you came to the right place, which is good. So if we go to our normal Internet Explorer or Firefox, put in the search engine Classic Shield Windows 8.1, which I already have in this case. Use Classic Shield from cnetdownload.com, which I will just go into. Let that get there. Once that's on your display, go download now. And if you're actually in Firefox, it will come up over here with the down arrow. Okay, so we've saved that file onto our regular download folder. That then goes over to there, so we click in that little box there so we can actually bring the program up, which it's doing so now for us. And once that is downloaded, we can allow just that to do so. Once that's downloaded, we can double D-click there, which is to open the actual program up. Now, once that program is up, my virus checker's just checked it was Newtons, which is good. Just give that a sec and that come up. And as you can see, you then get your classic welcome to Classic Shield setup wizard. You then just go next. You then set the terms and conditions next. You then leave all that alone. Create new startup folder, which is correct. Next. You then put install. And don't worry about me reinstalling the program over the top of the program in this case, because this will not hurt the program because we already have a copy of the program there. But if you overwrite a program with the original program, it's still going to work one way or the other. So, but anyway, we'll let that just get on with its process. And then once that comes up, we push yes, which in other words, your Defender has came up and said, do you want me to do this? You just push yes. That's just in case you can't see the screen at the moment. And then, as you can see, completely classic Shield setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit setup. So what we then obviously do is go like that. Alright. We can actually read the Word document if you want, but I'm not going to, so we just get rid of that. And I will get rid of that because it's not relevant to me, but it will work for you. Now, anytime that you've then done that, classic start menu settings. So there's another one, better go into that quickly. Here it is. Right, start menu style. You can either have classic style, which is that one, obviously classic 2 columns, classic 7 style. I recommend you make sure you put Windows 7 style, replace start button make sure that's ticked and that is marked. Basic settings, classic start menu should be ticked. Windows start screen should be ticked. Classic start menu, make sure it's ticked. Windows start screen, make sure it's ticked. Show recent and frequent programs, tick frequent programs. Shutdown command is shut down. Start automatically from user should be ticked. Access normally, and skip merchant screen. In other words, that skip that all that like clutter of the tablet basically. So make sure that's done as well. Skin Windows 8. Show user picture. You can either have small icons, large foot, redirection, color, and then I've just marked it those two, but you may not like to change it yourself anyway. Custom start menu just gives you all that and displays all of that, so you shouldn't need to change that, but that's how to do it. Then you can have a classic one there, which is obviously that one, so it may look better to you, or you can customize it with your own sort of layout. And then what you will find by the time you've done all of that is when you push that, it comes up a nice, better looking one. You can actually find all your particular documents and bits and pieces. So if you want your documents, you can get into documents. If you want your pictures, music, so on. So hopefully this will help. So if you now would like a Windows 8.1 start switch, you know how to get it. Thanks. Bye.